Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to help you fix issue Shopify store can't accept payments right now. So if your Shopify store displays the message, this store can't accept payments right now, it usually means there's an issue preventing your store from processing payments. Here are the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So first is check your payment provider status. If you're using Shopify Payments or a third party payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe, just head over to Shopify admin page, then click on settings that can be found at the lower left bottom of your screen, then click on payments. So from there, just ensure your payment provider is set up correctly and is active. If using Shopify payments, check if you've completed identity verification and look for any messages or warnings in the payment section. And if your account is under review or suspended, Shopify should have emailed you. Another reason is Shopify Payments is simply just not available in your country. If Shopify Payments isn't supported in your country, you'll need to set up a different payment provider. Another reason is your Shopify plan is not active or your store is frozen. If your store's plan has expired or payment for your Shopify subscription failed, your store might be frozen. To fix this, just go to Settings, then click on Plan, and check your subscription status. Another reason could be fraud or policy violation. Shopify may restrict payments due to selling prohibited items, example CBD, weapons, or adult content. High fraud chargeback rate and policy violations. Check your email or admin dashboard for any messages. After all those fixes, if you still see the error message, you can just head over and reach out to Shopify's contact support page so they can help you resolve the issue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!